wall.
That's really cool.
There's a company, it's called Drywall.
Yeah, they're just drywall repair clips.
Yeah.
It's like it serves the same purpose as a block of wood would do.
Yeah.
One more over here and we're done. That's it. Okay.
Excellent. You're an incredible contractor. You're amazing. You're super
You
talented.
just need a keeper.
You just take twice as long.
How do you like that I had the lowest value in the front door?
Pick what?
Pick up the little things. But I still have to have it delivered.
Not bad for a first coat. And now